Fall Flavours Festival in Prince Edward Island is about two things: fantastic people and unbelievable food. Fall Flavours.
Fall Flavors.
Fall Flavors.
Fall Flavors.
Fall Flavours.
Fall Flavors for me is kind of like that one thing I look forward to every year.
Have to go and experience it.
One of the best of food events I've ever been involved in.
Mussels and oysters and lobster.
You wear a bib, you crack it open.
The seafood from PEI.
The potatoes.
The beef.
Wood on fire. Here, it's all about authenticity. It's going to be all the best that the island has to offer.
There's so many good times to be had at Fall Flavor, and the meal is not just about eating, it's about enjoying yourself.
When I'm out on the island, I am just there for the taking. You show me something, I'm gonna try it.
It was all about the people. And for me, that's what food is all about. It's that connection with food through people.
I'm in love with the island, the people, the food, and I just can't wait to come back.
It's going to be so much fun.
And now I feel like I'm just part of the PEI family.
It feels like home.
That's what PEI is.
Bring your appetite. Oh yeah, and your dancing shoes.
I'll see you there.